There he is. Look at that nice quality walleye eater size fish on that drop shot. There he goes. Man, there's nothing like a twisting leech on a single hook that catches walleyes. Hi, I'm Jeff Manager with getfishing.ca, and I'm going to show you today how to make your own drop shot hooks that swivel around and do not twist your line. If you can't find the Nico spins, you can still buy the Nico hooks. This is a size 6 Nico hook. This is the Red Line series, which is their ultimate chemically sharpened points. They're unbelievable. Comes on this nice little clip. You can just pick one, put the clip away, and the way we make the simple Nico hook into a spin shot is by adding the Mustad fast hatch clips, and the number 0 is the right one for this. So now I have the number 0 Mustad fast hatch clip and the number 6 VMC Redline series Nico hook. Now to put that on there, you take your fast hatch clip, and the kind of figure 8 configuration here allows you to put any size hook on. You just snap it on, and that's how you can use it as a leader. But to make it into a drop shot hook, you actually bring it down into that little throat area and finesse it so that it ends up being on that bottom. And when you tie off to the top, there's no way that hook can work its way back out, and it rests on that well armored loop, and it is perfect, ready for a leech, a night crawler, a finesse plastic, or a minnow even. Oh, there's a nice eater walleye. Roof of the mouth. That's where you get them lots of times. There he goes. And here is the drop shot. The number 6 VMC Redline hook, Nico hook on the number 0 swivel. And that was a nice eater size fish, but we get big fish too. As a matter of fact, here's a picture of 28-inch walleye my wife caught doing this with the leeches and the drop shots, drop spin hooks. It's just one of many fish that you'll catch using the drop shot program, and this special tip for having the adjustable size and style of hook you want for that spin shot hook.